Welcome to this video where we will explore the countries where Revolut is restricted. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows you to send and receive money, make payments, and earn cashback. However, Revolut is not available in all countries. In this video, we will discuss the countries where Revolut is restricted, as well as the reasons for these restrictions. What is Revolut? Before we discuss the countries where Revolut is restricted, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a financial app that offers a variety of banking services, including sending and receiving money, making payments, earning cashback, travel insurance, currency exchange. Revolut is available in over 35 countries worldwide. However, Revolut is not available in all countries. Countries where Revolut is restricted. Revolut is currently restricted in the following countries: Afghanistan, Belarus, Burma, Myanmar, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Eritrea, Iran, Iraq, Lebanon, Libya, Mali, North Korea, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan, Syria, Yemen, Zimbabwe. Reasons for the restrictions. There are a number of reasons why Revolut is restricted in certain countries. These reasons include sanctions. Some countries are subject to international sanctions, which prohibit financial institutions from doing business with them. Revolut is subject to these sanctions, which means that it is not able to provide services to customers in these countries. Regulations. Some countries have strict regulations regarding financial services. These regulations may make it difficult for Revolut to obtain a license to operate in these countries. Security concerns. Some countries have concerns about the security of financial apps. These concerns may make them reluctant to allow Revolut to operate in their countries. What are the alternatives to Revolut? If you are traveling to a country where Revolut is restricted, there are a number of alternative financial apps that you can use. Some of these alternatives include Wise, formerly TransferWise. Wise is a financial app that allows you to send and receive money to over 80 countries. Wise is available in many countries where Revolut is restricted. PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment service that is available in many countries worldwide. PayPal can be used to make payments to businesses and individuals. Revolut Metal. Revolut Metal is a premium version of Revolut that offers additional benefits, such as travel insurance and airport lounge access. Revolut Metal is available in many countries where Revolut is restricted. Revolut is a popular financial app that offers a variety of banking services. However, Revolut is not available in all countries. In this video, we have discussed the countries where Revolut is restricted, as well as the reasons for these restrictions. We have also discussed some alternative financial apps that you can use if you are traveling to a country where Revolut is restricted. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.